How to schedule, estimate quantity and cost of putty, acrylic solvent base in Revit. Create shared type parameter. Go to manage shared parameters. New type putty. Cost. Type of parameter currency. Okay, then okay, then go to project parameters, click add shared parameters, select putty cost, select type, group parameter under identity data, then select the walls. Okay, create global parameter to assign in our putty cost parameter. Go to global parameters, create new type putty cost. Type of parameter currency. Then group parameter under identity data, then okay, then put the price, let's say 450, apply, okay, then assign putty cost from global parameter into a wall. Select the flat paint wall, edit type, check putty cost, pick putty cost. Okay, now we have the price. Okay, select semi-gloss wall, edit type, check putty cost, pick and select putty cost. Okay, check the price. Okay, select the gloss wall, edit, go to edit type, check putty cost, then pick putty cost, check the price. Okay, then create schedule quantities for wall under schedule tab. Go to the view, schedule quantities, new construction, select the walls. Okay, then insert the type, the area, the putty cost. Okay, then add calculated parameter and name it putted area in square meter. Okay, type putty area in square meter. Go to the formula, select area. Okay, over 1, open and close parentheses, times 2. Okay, note 2 is the fatted area at both face of the wall. Add calculated parameter and name it putty quantity, and the unit is in gallon. Putted quantity, and let's put the gallon. Formula, select putted area times 0.1, open and close parentheses, times 1.10, 1.1. Okay, note 1 gallon of putty is equals to 10 to 12 square meter coverage, which is equal to 0.10 gallon per square meter. 1.10 is the plus 10% additional quantity for wastage. Okay. 9. Add calculated parameter and name it total cost. Okay, let's put total cost. Putty quantity times the putty cost. Select putty cost. Okay, then okay, then check sorting and grouping, check grand totals, formatting, total cost, alignment right, and check, make it in currency, 2 decimal places, use digit grouping, calculate totals, putty quantity, right, field format, check, make it in fixed 2 decimal places, use digit grouping, okay, then calculate totals, putty cost. Okay, let's move the putty cost, go to the fields, down, then formatting, alignment right, field format, currency, okay, putty quantity, okay, putty area, alignment right, field format uncheck, fix 2 decimal places, use digit grouping, okay, calculate totals, then area, alignment, appearance, uncheck, okay, okay, the type, then you have the area, the putted area in square meter, and the putty quantity in gallons. So we need almost 20 gallons for the entire wall. We have the total cost. Okay, let's try to revise the price. Let's say $460. Apply. Okay, now you have the revised total cost. Thank you.